It's a pretty loose one to get Hetmyer up and running. It's difficult when you are on that go slow at the crease to try and get into the gears again.
Oh, and another one. Flat. Oh, palmed. Oh, no, Odean. You've done all the hard work. You've palmed it. Wow, Odean Smith.
Push over the bar from Odean Smith. Right out of the screws again. Odean, well, he's 4 or 5 yards off the rope. He should have taken that in a second. Oh, Odean, you're right. Goes again. 3 in a row for Hetmyer. He batted 3 in the last game. He said, "Stop that. Get me in the middle against left arm spin."
Hat trick of sixes. Where are we going now? Oh! Choke on that! That's 4 in a row! We're in a hurry here at the National Stadium tonight.
Oh, this is wonderful. So enjoyable to see a player play with freedom. Wasn't far off a no ball as well, that from Fabian Allen. Flat. Nearly takes out the cheerleaders.
What a party. The two Saints, good part of the world. We tried again, flashing. This will, no, won't quite run away. But the intent is absolutely for everyone to see. And he's furious with himself. Hetmyer felt it was there to smash back over a wide long. Had to restrict them to, get a hostess of the crew on this one. It has disappeared miles. Holy schmoly, 5 sixes and a brace. 32 off the 10th, and suddenly the hometown hosts are 75 for 3. And it'll be time for a bit of a drinkies, will we? Oh, I'll have a drink as well to celebrate.
Six more. It's raining sixes. It tends to rain here in Guyana. Today's balls falling out of the sky.